Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that, broke mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. So the details and specs about this unit are, okay, so the unit that they sent me is their trendy short curly cut curly 4x4 closure lace wig. So this is a closure unit. You guys should have been able to see that at the very beginning. This unit does only come in 8 inches. It says it's 150% density, is natural black, and it can be dyed, and there is a total of 4 combs on the inside. The cap size is medium, and once again, it is a 4x4 closure. Now, this unit, I did decide to tweeze it and bleach the knots, only because with bleaching the knots, I feel like the knots are pretty dense. I did sort of over bleach it, child, so you can see a little brown in there. That wasn't from the company, that was from me, but I do tend to prefer over bleach than under bleach, so it's not a big deal for me. As far as the tweezing goes, child, I tweezed it, and I do feel like it looks a little better. I do feel like the hairline was pretty dense, so I did tweeze the hairline. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I haven't noticed any, other than the fact that after I tweezed it, I did have some residual hair. I didn't notice any shedding prior to that. That's not to say a girl won't shed at some point, but straight out of packaging, she's doing none of the things, and it's not tangly whatsoever, so that is always a plus as well in my book, honey. I also want to mention with this unit, I feel like it is small to medium head friendly. I only got the head that's on my shoulders, but with this unit, I did not adjust the straps whatsoever, and it does come with that elastic band, but that elastic band is not adjustable. So to me, this unit does, you know, run more so on the smaller side than not. So keep that in mind. It does make it super easy to be worn glueless, But if your head is larger than mine, then honey, it may be a struggle, girl. So I just want to throw that out there as well. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in a full 360 as well as the pros and cons with this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so you guys know if you watch me that I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My cons with this unit is the fact that, well, my only con with this unit is the fact that I had to tweeze the hairline and it was pretty dense. You guys know I don't like tweezing nothing, honey. Nothing. Your girl is lazy. So that is a con for me. And yeah, that was the only con that I could think of, girl. I had to throw something out there. Okay, so my pros with this unit is, first of all, it's a closure, and you know your girl is lazy. Okay, your girl is just lazy. That's just what I am. That's just what it is, honey. I just am. So that is always going to be a pro. I also love the length. I actually prefer a Pixie to be way, way shorter. It says it's 8 inches, so I guess I prefer like a 5 to 6 inch Pixie. But I am not mad at the length. It still looks really, really cute. And I love the texture overall. I just like the whole look of it. You guys know I love a good curly, shorter unit. That's just like sort of my summer swag, honey. Okay, if you know, you know. And yeah, those are my pros with this unit. Okay, so yes, I would recommend this unit. I do think it is a look. I think it's a vibe. I think it is beginner friendly despite me having to bleach the knots and tweeze it. I don't think it's necessarily necessary. But the fact that it's a closure and I feel like it can be worn glueless, it makes me feel like it's more so beginner friendly than not. So those are the reasons why I would recommend this particular unit. Alright, honey, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Child, she need a little fluff in the back. Hold on. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think down below of this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe. Let me know all of the things down below. Once again, shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I will have a direct link to this unit if you guys are interested in purchasing it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I feel like I may have them out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helps Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.